All right, so what we've achieved so far is we've added headings in, we've added paragraphs in, we've actually added a photo in, videos, even maps, and on top of that, we've added dot points in, lists, and we've even added an external link to a website. Now, what we're going to do next is, obviously right now we've only got one page, and websites have more than one page, and for your task, you're actually supposed to create 3 external pages and be able to navigate. So over the next couple of lessons of these videos, we're going to first add pages in, and then we're going to add a way of navigating to those pages through a menu bar. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to the plus icon. So just to be clear, if you're on the Trinket Birdwatch website tutorial, go to the adding more pages tutorial so you can follow along. So what it wants us to do is at the top of the code panel, click on the plus symbol, and remember our files, all web pages must finish with .html and include the dot. So what I'll do is I'll go up here and I'll go page1.html. And what I'll do is then, so right now, this is my page1.html. There's nothing going on. It's not styled. There's no text. So the next part is we go to the template.html and we actually just copy all of that code. So we just go copy, go back to page 1, and we hit paste. And this will basically turn it into a web page, and we can see it because it's styled to that purple background that's on my other page. Now, basically what we want to do is we want to do that 2 more times. So I'm going to do page2.html. Because I've already copied template, I can just hit paste. And then we can see it turns into it. Page3.html. Yes. Now, all 3 of my pages have the basic tags that they require to be a working web page. The problem is now, if I go back to my original page, the index.html, my landing page, I can't navigate to my other pages. So that's what we're going to set up next, is the ability to navigate to those pages. So if we go down the page on the Raspberry Pi website, it says in between the main tags, we want to create title for between the title tags, we want to create the name of each of those pages. So first off, I'll go to page 1. So we don't have title tags, but what I can do is create title tags very easily. Right, yes, I do. Right up here. So it says blank page. So what I'll do is I'll change the page to podcasting equipment. Nice and easy. That's going to be one of my pages. And then I go over to the next one. Call the next one types of podcasts. And then go over to page 3 and go podcasts I would recommend. So now each of my pages has a title on them. So we go between the mains. We would then add information like other podcasting related stuff to those pages. So just between the mains, I would then put all of my text, obviously using tags like the paragraph, the H1 tag, all of those different types of tags. Now, we need to work out a way to navigate. So what it tells us to do in the index.html file, we've got to add the following code. So I'm going to select it, hit copy, and then go over to index.html. Between what it clearly says is between our headers is where this information should go. So we'll go find it. It should be on around line 10 for you, and just hit paste. And what's happened is it's actually referencing the HTML pages between the quotations. So what do you reckon I should do? Well, I should change that to my page 1, page 2, and page 3.html. So I would say name yours the same, just so you can follow along. Page 1, page 2, page 3.html. Now, of course, between the A tag here, or this tag right here, the close A tag and the close list tag, we've got bird sanctuary, conservation, protect birds. So this is where I would name them the podcast, the titles. So I know page 1 is about podcasting equipment. I know page 2 is about genres or types of podcasts. And I know that page 3 is about podcasts, recommended podcasts. And we can see those have all appeared. So I should be able to then navigate. Yep. So what I would then do is in the next video, when we make this into a menu bar, is I'm going to copy that and paste all of that information over on page 1, 2, and 3, just so we can navigate between all of our pages, which is part of your project.